we have brought you today is a variable power supply, computer power supply or DC power supply. As you can see, 23 volt remains the same, does not decrease or does not increase. First of all, we will measure the continuity of the 2N3055 transistor, which is connected to the back, which is usually called IC, whether it has a short or not. It has no short. As we'll have seen, it has a low reading on one side, 61. Most of the time, the driver with low reading is a transistor, so we can measure the driver. When we measure the driver, it does not have a short, but it reads in all directions. B647. The base to emitter, base to collector reading is more than 600. When we measure it in the opposite direction, it does not read anything, so it means it's working. We will restore it carefully. Next, we will remove the transistor to N3055 and measure it. When removing the insulation, it should be done carefully, because we will use it again. When we measure it one direction, it reads more than 500. When we measure it in one direction, it reads around 45. 45 is too low, so we consider it as short. Is not readily available to N3055. We use a high current switching transistor instead. The one of starting with type C are usually very good. I used C5929. to straighten the bent legs. To make it convenient to place and not to overheat and burn the transistor, we tie the first transistor in a place. We secure the low screw of the transistor so that it is tight with the body. Next, we will make the 3 wires in the center of the center. We will do the edge and the edge approximately. Because the place is not suitable, we are carefully. Is 1.6. It should be 14 or 15 volts. Now it has been fixed and it says 14.9. It means 15 volts. Next, we measure it with a voltmeter and the output is 15.5 volts, which is very nice. The final test is whether it takes current or not. We load it and test it. It's a battery. The current should be 0.5 or 0.4. Starter talking current is completed successfully. Thanks for being with me. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe by touching the bell icon. Let's be a family. Thanks for watching.